What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change teams in Madden 26 Superstar mode. Here's how the trade system actually works now. You won't see a trade option right away, and it's not something you can trigger in the middle of the season. Everything is tied to your influence, especially with your agent. When you open your sphere of influence screen, you will see a row of milestones. One of those milestones is the trade teams option, but it stays locked until you build enough agent influence. The only way to do that is by completing agent quest. These quests show up under the quest tab and usually involve things like earning the starting job, performing well, or hitting certain goals. Every time you complete one, you earn more influence with your agent. As your influence level increases, you move toward unlocking more control over your career. Once you reach the tier where the trade teams icon is highlighted, that's when the option becomes available. But remember, you can still only use it at the end of a season. Superstar mode won't let you request a trade mid-season. When the season wraps up and the trade option is unlocked, you will be able to choose the team you wanna move to. Your agent handles the rest and you'll start the next season on your new roster. Just keep in mind that when you switch teams, you'll be adjusting to a new playbook and new coaches, so you may have to work your way back up again. But the key thing is simple: finish agent's quest, earn agent influence, unlock trade teams, and then request a trade at the end of a season. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.